Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying a reliable full backup. This is critical because deleting dynamic partitions is destructive. Once done, boot into Windows Recovery Environment or use installation media to avoid file locks. Make sure to run command prompt, type disk part, and then list volume to identify target volumes. You must note the exact volume hash or drive letter. This avoids accidental deletion. Now you're ready for targeted removal steps. Proceed only if the backup is confirmed and the correct disk is identified. You select the target with select volume N because explicit selection prevents mistakes. Next, if the volume is simple, run delete volume. If it's part of a spanned or mirrored set, you may need delete volume followed by delete partition override to force removal. Make sure to break mirrors or remove the other members first, which lets you convert complicated layouts into simple volumes. Once removed, verify with list volume and list disk. This sequence ensures each dynamic element is properly cleared before conversion. You now select the disk, and after confirming no dynamic volumes remain, run convert basic to change the disk type. This is required because Windows won't boot from a dynamic disk in many setups. Once converted, recreate partitions or restore your backup image to rebuild the system layout. If conversion fails due to lingering metadata, use disk part clean to wipe partition table, then reinitialize the disk. Be aware clean erases everything. If errors persist, check logs and ensure no hidden volumes remain before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.